Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello, my ginger brother and jelly bean. Welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. Now, this is, if most of you never know already, I'm a foodie. I love food. I love to try new stuff, and yeah, most of the time, almost every single day, food is on my mind. Food is on my mind. I love food. I can cook to a certain extent. I'm not a chef. I learn from my mommy, learn from my grandma, learn from people, so I know how to cook. But yeah, I realized that like whenever I'm talking to people, I like flow of normal conversation. I've said this before in the vlog. Whenever I'm talking to people, it just so happens that I flow and it tend to be way better than me standing in front of the camera and talking. And I've been making video for the past year and odd now, almost 2 years, so like 1.5 years, and I still tend to find myself stuttering, talking weird, not flowing on the camera. I don't know how to overcome that. I'm not the type of person that is going to stand in front of the camera and practice and practice, burn out the battery, waste footage, and go over and over talking to myself, because I don't want to go crazy. I already think a lot, so I don't want to go crazy up here just by standing in front of the camera doing this over and over and over again. So when I come on, I just try to free flow and I be myself and I stay original, and that's how I make videos for you guys. So when you guys say that I'm coming from the heart, or just talking and expressing what's on my mind, that is coming from here. It's not something that, you know, I prepared and I say, oh, I can't say that, and oh no, I just say it. So that's the foundation for my videos. I know that we have to improve, and I know that I have to change stuff to get better in terms of my speech, my native tongue. Let's call that my native tongue is Patwa. Like Patwa, we speak Patwa in Jamaica, and we do speak English. So there's this bridge where you have to like switch over from the Patwa to the English, which I'm doing. So it's kind of difficult. Hold on, let me come out of the sun because it actually burned me right up. Oh! Alright, so I'm out of the sun a little bit. Let me fix it a little more. Yeah. So there we go. So I'm out of the sun now, and I'm back. So yeah. So what I want to say is just that I'm trying to improve. I noticed that I do a lot of arms and stuff like that. It really irritates me. Hold on. Truck passing. So it really irritates me the most because I make these videos and it sounds weird to me. So just imagine a lot of people and it sounds weird too. But stating, this is my native tongue to talk Patwa. So I'm going to do it now. So I'm there and me I try fix the thing, but it now fix. So right now me I think about some of the ways the mom can fix it. But yeah. Yeah, so that's a part of the Patwa. But if me I talk to somebody else, it's easier when me I talk to somebody else. It's just that my flow when I'm around Jamaicans and I just talk my native tongue. But English now, on the other hand, I have to speak standard English. So I'm American, and wherever you are over the world that speak English and understand English, I have to speak that so you guys can understand. Now, today I have soup in my hand. This is wonton soup from China One. It's a Chinese restaurant here in Fort Pierce. So this is wonton soup. It was introduced to me by my ex-girlfriend Caitlin. Big up yourself, don't know. Yeah, so she liked wonton soup, so I woke up this morning and I fell for soup because the time is cold. I fell for soup, so I said, alright, I'm going to buy some sushi and get some wonton soup. So the wonton soup is, there's meat inside. There's like a loaf, like a dumpling style, where there's meat inside it and the soup, and you have the like the celery and stuff like that. So this kind of feel like a soup review, like a food review. Don't throw away now. So I'm going to show you guys what it really looks like, and it's really warm right now and it tastes really good. So if you have wonton soup before, leave a comment below, tell me what you like about it, tell me if you can make it. Yeah, so this is how it look. So that's how it look right there, and then the meat is inside. So it's really nice, you know. It's salty, It just have a nice flavor, nice soup. So normally when you're hungry, in Jamaica when you're hungry and we have gas, we drink soup and drink a bowl of soup to belch off the gas, to get rid of the gas out of your system so you don't feel sick at the end of your meal. So yeah, I just fell for the wonton soup. And I also bought sushi, but the sushi is inside in the fridge. So I'm just making this video and then I'm going to eat the sushi. So that's basically breakfast, or this is lunch in the afternoon. I'm going to bite into the wonton, so you can see. So if you look on the inside, you will see the little meat there, and that's how it looks. So yeah, cheers guys. So it reminds me of dumpling. Like when we cook the soup, our soup is normally thicker than this, so we'll put like pumpkin and food in there, ground provision. So the ground provision thicken the soup. You have like a creamy type of soup. Like chicken foot soup, red pea soup, you know, all those soup that we cook in Jamaica. It's more thick, but these are like watery. And like the seasoning, so it's not really thick, it's like a watery type of soup. Don't mind me, I'm just eating. A lot of you might find this weird, but so you go. You have to understand, say, food is delicious, and anyway you eat the food, that's just how you eat the food, and you just have to enjoy it. Ooh. Sorry, the gas. Alright, I won't take up the entire time. I'm vlogging about the soup, the wonton soup. But yeah. So in the comments below, tell me what kind of Chinese dish you like. Tell me what kind of Chinese soup you like. If you tried any before, let me know. And just tell me if you love food or not. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. I hope this little informative video kind of shed light on me as a person, and you know, my observation of myself and making videos on what I want to do and how I want to flow on it, and I just want to be myself and continue to do that for you guys, so you guys can enjoy that realness from me, and just, you know, continue to grow with me and evolve. So Thursday again I'll drop our next video. I'm gonna try and come out with a video of the finished house, so I'm going to give a little run through of the exterior so you guys can see what we have done. So it's finished now and all the hard work is done. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again. Leave a comment below, tell me if you like my videos or not, tell me if you like this one, tell me the food you like and all that. So big up on yourself, one love, peace, I'm out. Don't know. Wonton soup.